Okay, we are going to review all ang bagong release ng Sunny Face, which is their Daily Tinted Oil-Free Moisturizer. So, ito lahat ng swatches ng kanilang Daily Oil-Free Moisturizer. Rice, Sandy, Marzipan, Beige, Priory, Palm, Honey, Canyon, tapos yung brown is Nara. So, ito yung shades sa all the shade swatches ng Daily Tinted Oil-Free Moisturizer. Okay, let's try beige on my face. Kasi sabi daw sa mga reviews, nag-oxidize. I'm more an acidic person, so let's see. Okay. Guys, nag-oxidize siya. I think kailangan ng lighter shade. Let's try Marzipan. Let's get it out. Guys, dito sa tinted moisturizer na ito, skin tint pala to. May SPF 20 siya, UVA and UVB. Okay, skin. Guys, ang shade ko dito ay si Marzipan kasi si Beige ay nag-oxidize sa akin. This is a good one. A good skin tint, but make sure the skin tint or the tint that you are going to get is lighter than the shade. Kasi may mga base products na madalas nag-oxidize on my face. Okay, napapansin ko dito sa mga skin tints ni Sunny's Face, nag-oxidize siya sa akin. Yung kay Beige, ito talaga yung shade ko sa mga ito talaga yung shade range ko. Pero kailangan, si Marzipan talaga yung shade ko pag nag-oxidize. Kasi pag nag-oxidize, should get lighter than your shade. So, that's my call sa Sunny's Face. Pwede na siyang skin tint for me. It blends pretty well and it's pretty good. So, that's my review for Sunny's Face Daily Tinted Oil-Free Moisturizer. Yun lang, finish na.